Hello guys, let's break down Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Okay, so before we do that, please do subscribe us so you can get continuous updates on the same. So I know it's been a long time since I came out with a video, but the view that I've shared on my previous videos were actually aligned with what happened in the markets. Now let us see, we are at a very crucial point in the markets. So let's start breaking down on what is actually what we can expect from the markets from the current situation. Okay. So from here we can mark the monthly high. So we are going to mark some levels that is actually going to act as a supports and the resistance, the important support and resistance. So this is the current month low that actually is quite important for us. And also I'm going to mark this particular high, which is where the market, the monthly high is currently at. Okay. Now on a weekly time frame, we can see that the market has this equal highs that was being stop hunted by the market. Okay. And now the market is back to the range. We have done this imbalance movement. Now what we can see is what the market has done here is we have kind of stop hunted this. So there is a order block right here in the market. Okay. And that order block was mitigated when the market came back to this level and then we started moving up. Okay. Now when I consider this low to this high, the last movement, market is exactly rejected from 0.38 level. Okay. 0.38 level. So this particular high that we made, okay, on Friday, okay, when we made this particular high, this high remains very important for us. Okay. This high remains very important to us. And as this order block is already being mitigated right here, what we can expect from the market in this situation is if the market on Monday we try to sustain below this level, we will fail this order block and we might head lower. Where we might head lower to, I am expecting the 0.27 level. Okay, 1.27 level that I am expecting, 43,093. So this is the level that we could reach out to. But only if we sustain above, we get a good closing in this in the week above this level, we could continue upside. Okay, we could also breach the 44,500 in the near future, but we might spend some time in this supply zone. Okay, in this supply zone. So this will be my target, like 43,300 would be my safe target for right now. 44,300, 4,400 would be my safe targets for this particular week. So this is what I am viewing for the next upcoming week in the Nifty. So I will be closely observing this range because this is a very important. Market has performed this demand level and then we went up. This is a good sign of a stop hunt, but we have not yet broken structure, but we have definitely seen a sign of a shift in market structure. Okay, there is a definitely slight signs of a shift in market structure. Also there is a change of character right here, but there is no breakout structure as of now, so we can not be certain. Only until we are below this level that would be confirming the continuation for this particular level, and only when we breach this particular low, then we could be certain about the market being bearish for a while. Okay, so this particular week, upcoming week, is very important for us to decide what could we expect from Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so this was all about Nifty Bank. Let's also go back to the monthly time frame for Nifty. Okay, let's also mark the particular in the same way the highs of a month, the all-time high. And also what we can do is we also know that this particular range, but we'll also mark this particular low. And as we have already stop hunted, this is a similar situation. We stop hunted the previous high, went, but we have not changed any character. We just mitigated the demand and we went up. Okay, so this is higher low, higher low, higher high. Now at this particular level, we are currently trading at a supply level. That is also an order block. And right here, we have not seen any confirmation. Even when the market came and reacted from this level. We protected the lows and we didn't fail to break any structure. Okay, so there is a sell side liquidity that is being created right here, and market has not actually shown any kind of a reversal structure on a higher time frame. So on a higher time frame, market remains strong. So what we can expect still is the market, if it continues, we could cover this fair value gap, come back to this particular demand zone. Okay, so we could expect the market to come back at this demand zone, and from here how we sustain, we would decide that if we sustain and then we broke this particular high, we are going to continue higher. But here if we start compressing, we might start heading lower for this demand level that is yet to be mitigated by the market. Okay, so again, there is a very not a confirmation for a bearishness in the market, because if this situation at all arises, we might continue towards the upside. So this level can be mitigated in the next future. But as you can already see, if I just remove this, if we go on a lower time frame, what we have done is this supply to demand flip. Okay, this has been already mitigated and this has already been mitigated once. So now if we come back to this level, we might start compressing. This is a sign of a compression because we failed to break structure once the market was moving. So if we continue to again tempt this will be my first target around 18,300, 18,200. And next target would be followed by these lows to be manipulated, that is 18,000 levels, and then 17,700 if we continue the level. So exactly now we are not at all in a bearish situation, but we might see a small confirmations as this week comes ahead. So this week is definitely crucial for us to observe. So we have definitely seen some kind of a change, shift in market structure, and this might be a liquidity sweep or a change of character, but we are not sure of it as of now. So this level needs to be taken out in this week for us to get a short confirmation till 18,240, 18,250 levels. Okay, so this would be my trade outlook for the market on how I am expecting the market to be. Okay, on Nifty Bank, it is much stronger price action, and in Nifty, we are seeing a slightly a weak price action, but we could ascertain some facts. Okay, so this was it about my market structure. If you want me to break down some of the charts, why don't you comment them down below and I'll make a video and I'll publish it by this week. Okay, and do share with your trader friends. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on the other social media such as Instagram and as well as my Telegram group. Okay, see you there.